How to manage who can see your inventory on Roblox PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do first is go to roblox.com. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go here in the top corner and click choose settings. After you choose settings, now on this page, all what you will have to do is simple. Click here on this privacy tab, as you can see here, and scroll down all the way down until you find who can see my inventory. Click here and choose everyone or friends, users I follow, friends and users I follow, friends, no one, and click. Now it's gonna be changed, as you can see, automatically. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.